can do this without music playing. I don't know if I can turn it off if I do this. Oh. There we go. Okay. So, when we go up to the room, it's a very little room. We're going to all squeeze together in the room at the door. And then I'm going to, Mr. Harris will announce you, and he's going to hold the phone out to you, and I'm going to go, 1, 2, 3. Oh,
Canada, our home and native land, true patriot love, in all our sights commend. With glowing hearts we see thee rise, the true north, strong and free. From far and wide, oh Canada, we stand on guard for thee. God keep our land glorious and free. Oh Canada, we stand on guard for thee. Oh Canada, we stand on guard for thee.
Robbie.
Woo!